Hello guys, welcome back. If you want to use NotebookLM as a student, how can you use? So, NotebookLM is really essential for also the student who are studying in college or high schools or whatever, because it can help you a lot in creating quiz, creating reports, and creating flashcards. Not only the concentration, but also it can also make the summarizations, and also you can also ask her to take a note from your lecture as well. It can also find the available websites and the related document as well. So let's start. Go ahead to create new notebook here. So if you're a student, you want to work on your through your website, you can also ask to search your website. Or now you just want to insert any link, you can also paste any link here. And here you can also search the word for new results. Like if you are now studying for calculus and trying to ask to find the researching website here. So it's for trying to research for you. And now if you already have new, like if you already have the material for you, you can also get import from your computer as well. So here you will be able to upload your file from your lecture as well. So if I choose this one and just upload here. Okay, so and then how can I do is you can ask to create quiz. So how can you create quiz from this lecture? So if you're the one who loves to study by answering quiz, you just click quiz to create. And you can also give the prompt as well. What should the topic be or whatever you can put as well. And just generate to create the quiz. Okay, so now it's generating quiz for you. And in some case, if you want to get podcasts from your lecture, you can also generate podcasts. So if you're a lazy student or whatever, if you don't want to read all, you can just listen from your own podcast as well. And you can also get the explainer video. So it's represented to you by an AI. So if you don't understand what the teacher said in your class, and you can also ask help from video overviews and it will explain you clearly. At the same time, if you are the one who needs to create reports for your research or whatever, you can also ask to get reports. And the most important functions of NotebookLM is flashcard. So if your major is related with like theory based, you can ask flashcard to create. So now it's successfully create quiz, and I'm gonna also put to create the flashcard as well. So let's define to get ahead to the differential quiz, and you will be able to answer from here, and just you can also ask for the explanation as well. So by doing that, you can use for your study. Sure. Now it's also generating flashcards and you can get information from your flashcard. So from your NotebookLM, you can learn a lot as a student. So that's how to use NotebookLM as a student, guys. I hope this will help you a lot if you're the one who attend the schools or university. Thank you so much, guys.